Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy New, and for today's video I want to talk about some of the top relaxer products that I stopped using and why. But before we jump right into the video, if you do like me and you want to support my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video and comment down below. It's free, so thank you in advance. Let's jump right into the video. So the first product on my list is, and please don't throw tomatoes, okay? It's just my opinion, okay? And it is the ORS Olive Oil Relaxer. And yes, I know this is a fan favorite relaxer, but I had some challenges with this relaxer in the past, given that this was my go-to relaxer. So it's a bit of a disappointment because I really did love this relaxer. This relaxer was the kit relaxer I will bring to my hairstylist whenever I'm relaxing my hair. Previously, when I used just to go and freelance it, my aunt used to use, I believe, Cream of Nature in my hair, and that suited my hair really well. But moving on, after my aunt relocated, I had to go to a different hairstylist, so I began using the olive oil relaxer, and it was doing pretty well for my hair. It was my go-to relaxer, and just one day out of the blue, I went to the same particular hairstylist, and the relaxer for some reason did not relax my hair at all. And I could even remember the day that disappointment. She did my hair half and half, so she did the back first, I believe, and then the front, and washed it out, everything, styling it, and she realized that my hair was not relaxed at all. She was kind of blaming me, saying that I was, which is strange, that I was the fault because I wanted my hair to be done half and half, which she asked me though, do I want to do my entire hair or do I want to do half and half? You're the stylist, you're supposed to know, right? But whatever, if you're doing your hair half and half, that should solidify it being done right correctly, because that's what I'm currently doing. I didn't have a problem, okay? But she did it and it did not relax my hair, so I thought it was her. I changed hairstylist. She did not use the olive oil. I think she told me to use Optimum or whatever, but whenever I'm doing like my sewings and stuff, you know, you have your little leave out and you want to blend it in and make the hair straight, so I would do a little touch up on that leave out, and my hair would not relax with that relaxer. It was just super strange. That reflecting on it, I'm wondering if it was like a bad batch or something, because even continuously I gave it numerous tries. So because of all the challenges, I just cut off ORX relaxer completely, and now I'm using my Dark and Lovely silkening, I think, silk relaxer that I'm currently using, and it's just simply amazing. So that's my go-to relaxer now. That's the first one. And the second one for me is Pink Lotion, and this is a moisturizer. I'm gonna combine Pink Lotion and the olive oil moisturizer, and I did do a video on this about why I stopped moisturizing and sealing my hair. If you want to check out this video, I will make sure to link it down below. But to sum it up, basically moisturizers are not compatible with our relaxed hair. It's mainly for natural hair because it gets your hair so wet and weighed down, dry and brittle in the end, and can cause a lot of breakage and shedding to your hair. So because of that, I have eliminated all of my moisturizer from my routine, and I only use them, I only keep them not to use in my hair, but just to do this video so that I can showcase them. But I have not used a moisturizer in over 8 months, since November when my friend told me to stop. Let's cut it out completely. I have never touched a moisturizer since then, since last year November. So I am on the right path, and I am so fortunate to, you know, discover this new regime and products that I'm currently using, and I'm forever grateful to my friend to, you know, just eliminate all moisturizers. So Pink Lotion, all of that good stuff, it's not for me. It's just not for relaxed hair. Maybe if you're texturized. So the next one on my list is a set, which is a shampoo and conditioner from the OGX brand, which is the Organ Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner. So for this one, I was using it for a while. I was not perspicacious when it comes to, you know, finding the proper shampoo and conditioner designed for my relaxed hair. so I just picked up whatever. And for some reason, one day I got up and said, you know, I don't like how this makes my hair feel. It doesn't make it feel moisturizing to me. It makes my hair feel stripped down. So I asked some questions and I discovered the Motion shampoo. This one was recommended by my friend as well, that's a hairstylist, and she said that I should use the Motion shampoo. And to my surprise, the Motion shampoo is really affordable. I got it off Amazon with the conditioner, and you can feel the difference. Like, you can feel how moisturizing this shampoo, especially the shampoo, is. It makes shampooing my hair so luxurious and just so relaxing. It makes me feel good that all of this moisture penetrating my hair, so it does feel good, very manageable, and you can tell that your hair is getting the proper treatment whenever you're using this shampoo. So, and just the same with the conditioner. So I just canceled all of my OGX shampoos and conditioner. I just only use these for like washing my wigs. You know, sometimes you can be a little bit more complacent when it comes to your wigs. So I just stick to washing my wigs and my extensions and clip-ins with the OGX, but just not for my relaxed hair. So the next product on my list, and this one is highly raved, like it's a real top product, and this one is from Shea Moisture, and it's their deep conditioner. And this one I believe is the Jamaican black castor oil deep conditioning treatment, and it was a no for me. This was very disappointing because it was highly raved, and I have used it numerous times thinking that I am the problem here, because this product is so highly recommended and the reviews are top notch. So I try to give it several chances, but I just did not like how it makes my hair feel. It felt very clammy, very greasy, very heavy, and after I came to the realization that this product is not for relaxed hairs. So after getting some recommendation from a relative of mine, she said that she used this Crescent Pillow, I think it was a hair drop, and researching the brand I found out that they had a deep conditioner as well. I think I bought a kit that came with the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in and the deep conditioner. So I tried the deep conditioner. When I tell you that's the best deep conditioner that I have ever used, I'm not joking. Like, you can definitely feel your hair soft and supple, and it just doesn't weigh my hair down. Like, I like when I first wash my hair, I want it to be bouncy, shiny, and not heavy and dead. I don't want it to lay flat on my head like a scarf. So I want something that makes my hair, you know, feel bouncy and have some life to it. So I did not like this moisturizer. I really hated it. I'm so annoyed, and I have a leave-in conditioner from them as well. Let me go grab it.
2 hours later.
Let me just say, I really detest this product. I don't like the leave-in conditioner as well. It's the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-in Conditioner from them. And it said it's for natural and chemically processed hair, which I don't think it's for relaxed hair. It makes your hair so heavy, and just, it has this type of gooey, sticky residue on it, like some type of coating to it that I do not like. So I don't use this leave-in, and no, it's a no for me, dog. It's a no for me. So my favorite go-to leave-in conditioner right now is from the same brand that I call Crystal Pillow. They have a leave-in conditioner that I love, and another favorite of mine, which is my baby, my Aussie leave-in conditioner. That one is just super moisturizing. It doesn't weigh my hair down at all. I just love how my hair feels and look with those two products. So I really don't need this anymore. I should just toss it because I'm really not going to use it. It's just super annoying. I think I just keep it just in case I may run out one day of my other two leave-in and I'm stuck with nothing, so I can always grab this. But I'd rather go without. Like, it's that bad. I'd rather go without. So just have to be true to myself. I don't like it, so I should just toss it. So the next product for me is this Ox Deep Conditioner, and I think this one is the Argan Oil Deep Conditioner too. No. Like, I used to use this one before I discovered my Crescent Pillow Deep Conditioner. I bought this one at CVS, I believe, and I was using it. is trash. Like, it's just not good at all. I don't even know what influenced me to buy it. Probably just didn't care and I just picked it up. You know, I didn't know any better. I was just using it out of convenience. I don't know. But it was just not that good. You know what happened to me the other day? I ran out of my Crested Paleo deep conditioner treatment and I had to use this one because I had no deep conditioner treatment and I have to deep condition my hair every single week, and I could tell the difference. Like, I was super annoyed that instead of buying a tiny bottle of my Crested Paleo, I bought the huge tub like this one because I just don't want to run out. And now that I'm halfway, I'm gonna buy another backup because I can never run out of this deep conditioner, because that Ox one was not good at all. It was just completely trash. And it's just amazing that when you find new products and you can really see the difference, it just solidifies that you are making the right move and you're transitioning very well, because those products were not doing you any good and you can see the difference. So this video is just telling you some of the products that I, leaving behind. The only one that I may try again is probably the ORS relaxer, but it won't be anytime soon because I'm really loving my current relaxer, so probably not. But I'm hopeful, I'm optimistic about it. But the others, no thank you. Okay, but I hope you do love this video, and let me know if you have ever used any of these products and if you have any good results with them. Tell me some of your experience and make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.